Hello friends, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi. Today we will discuss the editorial page of Hindu paper, and today's topic is falling on fires. Srisailam power plant accident underscores the importance of fire safety codes. Means there is a power plant in Srisailam. Means there is an accident underscores the importance of fire safety codes. Means here underscores means underlining something to emphasize, means something that is important, right? So in the Srisailam there was an accident at the power plant, which shows the importance of fire safety codes. A fire in hydroelectric station located close to unlimited quantities of water would seem to be a contradiction, but as the deadly blaze in the Srisailam power plant shows the risk very real. Means a fire in hydroelectric station located close to the unlimited quantities of water would seem to be a contradiction. Means a fire a fire in hydroelectric means that fire accident were located close to the unlimited quantities of water would seem to be a contradiction. But as the deadly blaze in the Srisailam power plant shows the risk is very real. Means but the deadly blaze means which is very violent, means which is very dangerous. That is saying that the fire accidents which took place in the Srisailam power plant shows that it is a very risky thing. Nine people, including 5 engineers, pressured in the facility on the Telangana-Andhra Pradesh border. Means 9 people, including 5 engineers, in the facilities on the Telangana-Andhra Pradesh border. Means these 9 people with 5 engineers, including 5 engineers, in the means those people are inside the power plant when the accident took place. At 900 MW capacity, the plant on the left bank canal of the Krishna is one of the biggest contributors to Telangana State Power Generation Corporation. Means 900 MW means it has 900 volts capacity. The power plant on the left bank canal of the means that power plant was present right left bank canal of the river Krishna is one of the biggest contributors to the Telangana state. Means it was the biggest contributor to the Telangana state power generation corporation. Telangana State Power Generation Corporation means it was the biggest power generation corporation for the whole Telangana. Another branch serves Andhra Pradesh. Means same like that, another branch serves the Andhra Pradesh. What makes the accident more disturbing is that it comes as another shock in a season of disaster. Means what makes the accident more disturbing is that comes another shock in a season of disaster. Means the dangerous thing in this accident was means most disturbing thing in this accident was it comes to as means it came as another shocking disaster for that state. Industries and power plants in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana have been wrecked by accidents during the COVID-19 pandemic. Means the power plants present in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu means they were accidents during this COVID-19. In Srisailam, the fire appears to have started in a control panel during maintenance. In Srisailam, this fire started in a control panel during the maintenance. The victims were unable to make an exit through an escape tunnel and were overwhelmed by smoke. Means the exit was means they are unable to go from the exit because it was full covered by the smoke and they cannot see anything. So they have some struggles to go through the exit, while others at the different level could feel in time. Means some of the people came out during before some time. Going by office accounts, the smoke made it difficult even for rescue personnel to enter the forced raid structure. Means going by official accounts means the smoke made it difficult to come out from the exit. Moreover, videos made by staff present a spectacle of a small fire rapidly influx the working area. Means moreover videos some of the staff members has made some videos. By seeing those videos we can see that a small fire rapidly influxed the working area. Means a small fire was it was started from the working area, trapping the personnel and leveling little room for maneuvering. Means it has started from the working area and it has passed rapidly. Telangana has instituted a CID inquiry apart from the plant operators own probe. Means in Telangana has given a CID inquiry apart from the plant operators own probe. Means except the plant operators own probe, but an external technical audit with no conflicts of interest could better serve the objective identifying landscape to stop a future catastrophe. Means by the external technical audit the conflicts means by these accidents in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, in future they can make some advanced systems means which can stop the fire. It can determine why the victims could not make a safe exit as per standard procedure. Means it can say that why the people inside the room cannot come from the exit as per the standard procedure. Large hydroelectric power plants are usually built well below surface level, where generations control transmission equipment are located. Means large hydroelectric powers are usually built at the well below surface level. Means those are built below surface level, where generations control means those were controlled by some generations and transmission equipment are located. Means some equipments are located at that place. Handling a fire becomes complicated in such circumstances, and safety features have to be extremely reliable means it will be somewhat hard to come out from those places because it is somewhat below the ground level, so it will be somewhat difficult for the people to come out quickly if there is any accident. So and there are no safety features have to be, means some safety features have to be extremely reliable, means they should be some safety measures, they should take some safety measures. IAE standards for substation fire protection issued a quarter century ago. IAE standards for substantial means this IAEE has given some fire protection and fire protections and issued a quarter century ago. It has issued a quarter century ago for giving some fire protections. Lay down norms for fixed portable ventilation systems that can remove heavy smoke. Means it has said that it will be somewhat below ground level, right? So they said that there should be some ventilations which can automatically take a heavy smoke from that area. As seen in the Srisailam, means there are some features like that in Srisailam. Use of fire retreat materials in the contraction dual exists. Easy vertical escape routes using staircases and alarm system are all part of safety codes. Means if there is any fire at that particular place, they'll keep some alarms before, means while constructing they'll keep some alarms. So if there is any fire accident at that particular place, so that alarm starts ringing, so we can easily get rid of that. Only rigorous adherence to safety codes can reduce this shocking toll. Means taking some protective measures, means taking some protective measures before any accidents would decrease these fire accidents at those power stations. So we'll discuss some meanings from our topic. Underscores means underlying something to emphasize, means pointing something to explain it. Blaze means fire, flames, or conflagration. Fire or flames means fire or smoke. Wrecked means badly or damaged or very drunk, means damaging very means damaging in a bad way. Catastrophe means disaster or calamity, means natural disasters. Retardant means substance used to slow down or reduce the intensity of fire, means a substance which can reduce the intensity, means somewhat like force of the fire. Cripple means disabled or lame or unable to walk properly. Disruption means disturbance or problem, having a problem with something. Pertinent means relevant to the point or appropriate, means relevant means relating to something. Bolster. Bolster means support or strength or pillow. Perished. Perished means die, expire. Expire means dying. Monacro. Monacro means move carefully or skillfully. Move carefully means going in a careful way. Locunei. Locunei means unfilled space or gap. Ramifications means result. Result means example, he got his he got his results, like that. So these are the meanings from our topic. Thank you.